Tangnai wati kotor ni jorawo. Athro mura 47 mile lahar kotor bai thangmani NSC company barzar nawi lahar snamani bisha kamani yaglono wati kotoro tuilomai lahar baikya kwakha haini bai thanai salbre salbarome thangphai muthakjagi thangjak ab harino naharai Montri Bikash jebroma amsayo thangi salbrumno chenai tongmani thangphai lamano kaham khani bagi chatogo tongmani abni bishingo athro mura 47 mile lahar kinaro tongo Mwtaio 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 runani tei punthanani bagai Montri Bikash jebroma amsane lukurokno shaikabamani Montri Bikash jebromani kogno khunju kachomai khnawi amsane lukurok 47 mile amsayo lahar kinaro tongma Mwtaio puntharakya boro tep sai khnarka tabuk DM SDM ni gosimung manka hangke tei jora kisani bisingono thangphai kaham angai thanai malkhung thang lasyo khlai jangnai 47 mile lahar kwagai thangphai muthakjak tongmani abo tabuk thangphai ingsinai abone bagi samungchenani sikang Mwtaio rumung Mwtaio diamung tharmung chengi rejaka hani saka amsani lukurok
saboni dagi mungga tong yakhaba manusida tong bobo hai jamota khelemani
hambai belakhinya Swrangchati no asle tini je abo mahadep tilawa sungpun bolije namani pun bolije khaimani abo tini minister Bikash debromani bini dagi mungbai sungmia horona hotate ka sungpun marudoka pun bomangkha ani sapang nang pun dikhawra mane borok dagi mane pun bomangkha ka pun banyo sudinor boli khalekya pun bo boli sakha mane totra dirk sagani sokha isatenya bolibona kha tabu tini minister phaitongo lamauno o sakpangmo phaimen boda bo ades rima bai singoro bus rika pun boli rika enga singtago bo gari tabu oro je samungo tabu ni bisne chengjangnai boli ni pore borok samung chengnani he sing ades rijak tongo tak borok samung chengnai chini oboni pore enga chini SDM DM ni wardar mang khanga singo somoyo singoro gari soldani asta asta khanai ar pore chini minister sai phaitongo ar pore taibo kaham kam kok sai khanai o lamani bepartei hambai.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikaria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikaria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.